Hi students, today we are going to talk about some basic concepts of chemistry for class 11 students as per NCERT syllabus. Under this heading we are going to talk about a few things: Dalton's atomic theory, atomic and molecular masses, average atomic mass, molecular mass and formula mass. Dalton's atomic theory, the idea was came out the matter is composed of small indivisible particles called atomio. Atomio means is indivisible. In 1808, Dalton published a new system of chemical philosophy in which he proposed the following systems. Number 1, matter consists of indivisible atoms. Secondly, all atoms of a given element have identical properties, including identical mass. Atoms of different elements differ in mass. Third one, compounds are formed when atoms of the different elements combine in a fixed ratio. And the fourth one, chemical reactions involve reorganization of atoms. These are neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Dalton theory could also explain the laws of chemical combination, but it could fail to explain the laws of gaseous volumes. Now let us discuss about atomic and molecular masses. Friends, if anybody is new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. If the video likes, please press the like button. Yes, we'll continue now. So atomic mass. So what is the atomic mass? The atomic mass or the mass of an atom is actually very small because atoms are extremely small. You have studied in the earlier class. Today we have sophisticated techniques which are exactly accurately find out the atomic masses. Best instrument is mass spectrometry. But of course, in the 19th century, a scientist could determine the mass of one atom relative to another by experimental means. Say, for example, hydrogen. Hydrogen, being the lightest atom, was arbitrarily assigned as mass of 1 without any units. And other elements were assigned masses relative to hydrogen. However, the present system of atomic masses is based on carbon 12 as the standard and has been agreed upon in 1961. Here, carbon 12 is one of the isotopes of carbon and can be represented as 12C. In this system, 12C is assigned a mass of exactly 12 atomic mass unit, that is atomic mass unit AMU, and masses of all other atoms are given relative to this standard. One atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to the 1/12th of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Say for example, one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. The mass of an atom of hydrogen is equal to 1.6736 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Thus, in terms of atomic mass unit or AMU, the mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1.0078 atomic mass or 1.008 atomic mass unit. Similarly, we can find out the mass of oxygen. The mass of oxygen is 16 is the atomic number, so 16O. Atom would be 15.995 atomic mass unit. At present, atomic mass unit has been replaced by U. U is nothing but unified mass. When we use atomic masses of elements in calculations, we actually use average atomic masses of elements, which can be explained as below. So average atomic mass is many naturally occurring elements exist as more than one isotope. Average atomic mass means many naturally occurring elements exist as more than one isotope. The existence of these isotopes and their relative abundance or percentage occurrence, the average atomic mass of that element can be computed. For example, carbon has the following three isotopes with relative abundance and masses as shown in the video. Isotope of carbon 12C having the relative abundance atomic mass 98.892 percentage, whereas 13C, when the isotope of carbon is 13C, the relative abundance percentage will becomes 1.108 and the atomic mass unit will become 13.00335. And the 14th isotope C, the relative abundance in percentage 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 and atomic mass unit is 14.00317. From this data, the average atomic mass of carbon will come to be like this: 0.99892 into 12U plus 0.00108 into 13.00335 unit plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 14.00317 unit is equal to 12.011 U. Similarly, average atomic masses for the other elements can be calculated in the periodic table of elements. The atomic masses mentioned for different elements actually represent their average atomic mass. So now, what is molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of the all elements present in a molecule. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of the elements present in a molecule. It is obtained by multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atomic mass, by the number of its atoms, and adding together. For example, molecular mass of methane, which contains one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. So molecular mass of methane, its molecular formula is CH4. So carbon having only one carbon is there. The carbon atomic mass unit is 12.0014. 12.00111. Same way, hydrogen atomic mass unit is equal to 1.008 unit. So here atomic in the methane there are four hydrogen molecules are there. So we can add up this 4 multiply with 1.008 is the atomic mass unit of hydrogen. Then finally we'll get so carbon and hydrogen. So molecular mass of methane will becomes 16.04 unit unified mass. Similarly, we can calculate molecular mass of water. So water having the molecular formula H2O, hydrogen 2 molecules are there, oxygen 1. So hydrogen having 2 into 1.00 unit is the atomic mass unit, and oxygen is 16 unit. So it's nothing but, so total it becomes of molecular mass of water will becomes 18.02 unified mass. So lastly we can talk about formula mass. Some substances such as sodium chloride do not contain a discrete molecules as their constituent units. In such compounds, positive sodium ion and negative chloride ion entities are assigned in a three-dimensional structure. So it may be noted that in sodium chloride, one Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ion and vice versa. The formula such as C and sodium chloride NaCl is used to calculate the formula mass instead of molecular mass. In the solid state, sodium chloride does not exist as a single entity. Thus, the formula mass of sodium chloride is atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine will becomes atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23 unit and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 unit. So total it becomes 58.5 unit of sodium chloride formula mass. Same way we can calculate for glucose. So glucose molecular formula is C6H12O6. See here, carbon having 6, hydrogen having 12, and oxygen having 6 molecules. So carbon atomic mass is 6 12.001 U and having 6 atoms, so it will become 6 into 12.001 U plus 12 point, again hydrogen having 12 molecules and its atomic mass unit is 1.008 plus oxygen, here there are 6 molecules of oxygen there, then each 6 having 16 atomic mass in it. So total it becomes added together and multiply by this, we'll get the answer 180.16 atomic mass unit or unified mass. This is how the Dalton's atomic theory and atomic and molecular masses. I hope you guys are understood this video. Thanks for watching.